Hey, welcome to Georgia Festival of Trees, Wrapping Christmas Trees 101. We're going to show you how to wrap. You're going to have all the equipment you need, shrink wrap, Christmas tree, and we're going to go do a video right now and show you how to do it. All right, we want to make sure you start at the top. Everything's wired on, so you don't have to worry about the tree coming apart. So we'll start here towards the top. We're going to go around the top twice.
Are you doing that? Yeah, I can go.
We're going around twice, so it helps hold the wrap together. You can see we'll have teams of 4, so you don't have to worry about that. Everybody has their own job. 2 people bringing it around, the other folks folding up the branches so that it stays tight, and all the ornaments stay on. All the ornaments are wired up. And throughout the process, you will stretch the plastic a little bit tighter to keep the tree skinny. So as you're folding the branches up, you want to make sure you're holding the tree steady so you can pull the plastic tight. Once you get to the bottom, you're always going to have to come up a few more feet to re-wrap that center section.
Great job.
You want to hold that one here?
Okay.
Clear the plastic, it all clings together. Then you have a tree ready for delivery.
Perfect.